guys. So in this particular session, what we'll be discussing about is how do we add surds. Okay, so it is similar with addition and subtraction that the surds should have a same order and same radicand. Okay, always remember that. Whereas in case of multiplication, the radicand does not need to be same, but the order should be same, right? So since in this case the order is same but the radicand are different, that's why we cannot add them directly, right? So we need to figure out a way to add them. Okay, so let's just look at it. Okay, so in this particular case, so let's take the LCM of 12. Okay, so 2 6 are 2 3 are, right? So 2 into 2 3, right? So that means what will happen, 2 will be outside, then you'll have a under root 3, right? So same for 72 75, I mean 75 will be, how much will that be, 15 into 5 times, right? So 5 and then 5 on the 5 5s are 25, right? So and then 3 times 5, right? So your 5 will be outside and then 3 will be your radicand. Okay, so it should be same radicand. Okay, so since we already have a 2 as a coefficient outside, so we will multiply that with 5, right? So this will give us 3, and then in case of 108 they will be into, so 108, right? So how much should we actually take LCM? So 2 5 and 54, 2 5 and 54, right? So 254. So after that what we can basically do is again do it with 2. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are, right? And then 3 9s are, 3 3s are. So 3 3, and then your 2 will also be outside, right? So 2 into 3 under root 3, right? So since we have 2 2s and then 2 3s outside, so it will be outside, right? So this will be 2 under root 3 plus 10 under root 3 plus, so 3 is 9, 2s are 18, right? 18 under root 3. So once you add all of this, how much will you get? 30. Okay, so you get 30 under root 3. That's your answer. Okay, so similarly in this case as well, we need to have the same order and same radicand. Okay, so let's look at this particular problem. So since it is 54, so when you take an LCM of 54, you will basically be getting these 4 numbers. Okay, so 54, 227, right? 3 9s are, 3 3s are. So since our root is 4, our order is 3, right? So 3 cubed into 2, that means 3 will be going outside, right? So A will also go outside. So 3A under root 2. Okay, so in this case, similarly, in case of 128, the LCM will be 2 6 are 4 are, 2 3 are 2 are, 2 16, 2 8, 2 4, 2 2, right? So 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So 4 will be going outside. No. So 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Yeah. So 4 will be outside. So 4A under root 3, the radicand should be same, right? So see in this case as well. So since we already have A to the power cube, right? So if our power would have been 4, then 1A would have stayed inside and the 3 would have gone outside. Same as the rational number that has just gone outside. Okay. So when you add this 2 up, you will get 7A under root 2. Okay. So this is how we basically add it. The first thing that we need to be careful about is the radicand and the order. So first of all, we need to make it similar to the radicand, and then after that we will need to add or do your operations. Okay, so this is how we solve this kind of problem. If you have any doubts regarding this particular question or anything regarding radicals and surds, please do comment down below. I'll really happy to answer it for you. Until next time, bye bye.